Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful arrangement in a jug. I began making this arrangement by making two different bowls, one made of raffia and the other with ribbon, and attached them to the top of the handle. Then I prepped the jug with some leaves from hyacinth, and today I'll be using this beautiful purple hyacinth, and just pop them in the middle there. Add some wildflowers, and then I would add some beautiful grass. I really love putting these into arrangements. It really adds a different type of texture. And I would then add some grass. And some fern. And there you have a pretty little quaint arrangement for your home. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.